Hi, here is the Konica Big Mini Neo R overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment. We're using one CR1238 battery, and by pulling here to open the back cover, and here's the film. So we need to put the film at the left side here, and we need to slide into it to make sure that the motor is fit into the canister here. Yeah. And after that, push it in. Make sure that your film is flat like this. Then put the film tip to here, like that. Okay. After that, you just close it and on it. Wait for it. Yeah, it will auto load. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that now you can start shooting. Then here is the viewfinder. At the center part of the viewfinder, you found out there's have a dot there. So you just use that dot as an indicator to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Here is the shutter. Half press. Okay, if it light up like this, okay, if it blink like this, which means that it can't focus the green light. Then we slightly adjust a bit. Okay, like this, it's light up and doesn't blink. That means it's okay. Then we just click it. Yep. And by the zoom is at here, and then zoom out. Yep. So you just zoom to the angle you want, or zoom out. Then same, half press, blink. We adjust. Doesn't blink. Click it. Okay, next is here. This is the panorama mode. When you switch to the panorama mode, it will become narrow, the viewfinder. The outcome also will be like that. If normal, it will be wider. Yep. Oops. Okay, next thing, here is the flash mode. Now it's fully auto mode. And this one is with red eye reduction, and I've tried, and there's like no difference actually. Then this one is the force flash, where no matter what environment, it will open the flash. Then this one is night mode with flash, off the flash. Then this one is off the flash plus 1.5 light compensation, which it will have a slower shutter speed while it will have a slightly higher exposure. Yeah. Then this one is TV mode, which means that the shutter speed will be slow, so that we have some kind of like movement, the feeling. Yeah. Then yeah, auto. Then here is the landscape mode, which it will straight direct focus to the infinity mode. Then click again. This one is timer. Same. Aim to the object you want to aim. Half press. Press it. If you have a red light up, which means that now it start counting already. It took around 10 seconds like that. Then after that, if it blink like this, which means that it's charging lah. Then we click again. This one is the remote, which is on the strap there. You can take off lah by sliding here, like that. Then aim to the camera and click it. Let me try. Oops, maybe it can't sense because it's out of battery. Yeah, you see, if I near enough, then it can sense lah, which means that actually you need to replace the battery of the camera. Okay, after you replace, then only you can use it, or you don't want to replace, then you just put aside, will do. Yeah. And here, beside here is the cross date function, which it will have a date imprinting. Then this one is the year, month, date. You can switch the date mode, or you can click the select for a while. Okay, if it blink, then you can click the set to adjust to the year you want. I'm not sure whether I got 2025 or not. Oh yeah, no, until 2019. So you can switch to another mode. Click. Okay, this one is the date and the time. So you can adjust to the date you want and the time you want, then use it. And if you don't want the date imprinting mode, click to like this, which means that it won't have any date or time inside your outcome. Yeah. And when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind. So overall it's like this, and hope you enjoyed.